health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
Do you know what happens when you're new to keto and fasting? You often make mistakes. And that's okay, we all do. But if you catch them early, you'll feel so much better because you're able to stay on track. Here are the big ones that I see all the time. Not eating enough protein, it's what keeps you full and reduces the cravings. Snacking too much, even on keto foods. Nuts, cheese, fat bombs, they all add up. Forgetting electrolytes, headaches, low energy, even leg cramps. Usually sodium, potassium and magnesium is low. Breaking your fast with sugar or carbs, that spike makes you crash. Expecting overnight results. It's going to take your body between 2 and 4 weeks to kind of get into its flow. So today I'm on day 13 and it's also the weekend. So this is a time when when it's that kind of family time, or it's time to relax more. So you have to be a bit more mindful to stay on track. So what I done was I made sure that my meals were heavily protein based. I planned to stick to my fasting window, which should have been 16 hours, but stuff ended up being a bit busier. So I've ended up extending today's fast to 21 hours, but I felt absolutely fine to do that. I didn't struggle in any way. And I'm definitely feeling a lot more stable than I perhaps was kind of last weekend. It felt like an easy fast. I won't say temptation is non-existent, but definitely the food noise is decidedly more quiet. So if you're starting keto and intermittent fasting, just follow these little 5 helpful tips. Help you avoid some early on mistakes. You'll feel so much better, so much quicker. I've popped my free 7-day health kick restart plan below. It gives you simple structure so you can avoid some of these common mistakes early on. And the meal approach that I'm using is 2 meals a day, generally lunch and dinner, and 2 snacks. Today I had leftover stir fry with 0 carb noodles, really lovely. And then for my second meal I had chicken sausages and veg. And then my snacks were keto crispy crackers, linked to that recipe above, and some peanut butter. Not together, after. Lovely. Feeling great, feeling really energized, and just loving being on track. Thanks for watching. See you next time.